Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Claude to N8n on desktop. To begin, open Claude on your desktop and go to the New Chat page. This will bring you to the main workspace where you can access your account controls and settings. Once you're on the main Claude screen, look to the bottom left corner and click on your account icon or profile area. This opens the account menu where you'll find the settings used to manage Claude's features and integrations. From that menu, select Settings. After the Settings panel opens, click on Connectors. This section is where Claude lets you add and manage external services, including tools like N8n. In the Connectors area, go to the top right corner and click Add. After that, choose Browse Connectors. This will open the connector library where you can search for supported services. In the search field, type N8n. As the results appear, click on N8n to open its connector page. You should now see an option to connect it. Click the Connect button, or whichever connection option is available on your screen, and then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Depending on your environment, Claude or N8n may ask you to confirm permissions or approve the connection. Take your time here and review each prompt carefully before proceeding. Once the connection process is finished, return to the New Chat page in Claude. From there, click your account icon again in the lower left area, then open Settings one more time. This time, go to Appearance. Inside the Appearance section, you'll see interface controls that let you adjust how Claude is displayed. Click the first arrow style control shown on screen, and then click the next arrow style control. These final adjustments may help update or reveal the desktop layout so the connector setup is reflected properly in the interface. As a helpful tip, if you do not immediately see N8n after connecting it, refresh the Claude window or reopen Settings and check the Connectors section again. Small interface changes can sometimes take a moment to appear, especially after a new connection is added. And that's it. You've now walked through the process of connecting Claude to N8n on desktop, starting from the Settings menu, adding the connector, following the connection prompts, and then reviewing appearance settings to finalize the setup.